Alright, last update here. Everything's back together. Power steering pump is in. All lines have been connected. I got a new pressure line. Power steering pump looking good. No leaks underneath. Everything sounds copacetic. The hammering, groaning is gone. I turned the wheel all the way, turned the steering wheel all the way to the left, to the right. Sounds good. So if you're 2007 to 2003 2500 Silverado HD starts making a little groaning or whining sound, it's probably going to be your power steering pump. So I just thought I'd make a video about this. I didn't find anything on YouTube or anywhere else kind of demonstrating the issues that I had, so hopefully this will help somebody else. All right, this once again, it's a 2007 Silverado 2500 Classic HD with a 6-liter V8. I had a groaning, whining power steering. I thought I'd flush it or try to get the air out of the system. It wasn't the case. It made it worse. Ended up being the power steering pump. So hopefully this helps somebody else. Bye now.